There's a big difference between the person who had an idea about a wearable fitness tracker for steps and the person who actually planned and executed on that.
We have all had those light bulb moments where a brilliant idea strikes, but as the saying goes, ideas alone are worthless without proper execution. Let's explore why.
Ideas mean nothing without planning and execution. It's not about what you thought about doing, it's about what you did. So make sure you have the right processes in place to actually plan and therefore execute on the ideas that you have.
You see, having a great idea is just the first step on the journey to success. What truly sets successful entrepreneurs apart is the ability to turn those ideas into reality through careful planning and relentless execution. It's not enough to simply dream big. You have to roll up your sleeves and put in the work to make it happen.
Everyone's a genius these days. Everyone's on social with all their ideas. Everyone's an inventor.
In today's world, it's easier than ever to come up with ideas. We are bombarded with inspiration from social media, the internet, and our own imaginations. But there's a stark difference between those who merely generate ideas and those who have the discipline and determination to follow through on them. Take, for example, the concept of a wearable fitness tracker. Sure, countless people may have thought of it, but it's the individuals who took the time to plan and execute on that idea who brought it to life and revolutionized the industry.
I'm a big goal setter. You want to have goals. You need to have something that you work towards. We don't negotiate with our goals when we're building great businesses, but you're not focused on strategy all day. You're not focused just on the goals only. You're focused on progress. How are you doing more today in your business than you were doing yesterday? And have progress metrics that you care about all day long versus the goal metrics.
As someone who's passionate about setting and achieving goals, I can't stress enough the importance of having a clear plan of action. It's not enough to set lofty goals and hope for the best. You need a roadmap to guide you every step of the way. And while goals are important, what truly matters is the progress you make towards them each day. It's about staying laser focused on the task at hand and constantly pushing yourself to do better than you did yesterday. If you take a moment to scan my channel, you will discover how I started. As I already explained in another video, I used AI to start my journey as a content creator. I saw the opportunity AI brings to us, and I said to myself, if you don't start now, you will never start. I stepped out of my comfort zone, and now you see my face here. For me, that's an achievement. So for those asking, I don't focus on views and sub. I mostly focus on my progress, and I'm really proud of myself. No joke.
A lot of people and so many businesses are so goal oriented. I got to get to here, by here. And it's all they care about. And they lose track of everything else. And then progress starts to fall by the wayside. Be progress obsessed.
Now, don't get me wrong, goals are essential for providing direction and motivation. But when you become too fixated on the end result, you run the risk of losing sight of the journey. I have seen it time and time again. Businesses that are so focused on reaching a specific milestone that they neglect the incremental progress that's essential for long-term success. That's why it's crucial to be progress obsessed, constantly striving to improve and grow with each passing day. So my fellow entrepreneurs, let's make a commitment today to not just be idea generators, but action takers. Let's embrace the power of planning and execution and turn our dreams into reality. Remember, success isn't just about the destination. It's about the journey and the progress we make along the way. Ready to take a simple action? Well, watch this video next to discover the secrets to grow an online business today. We explain how big companies like Nike started and how we can do the same to launch successful businesses and take control of our lives. See you in the next one.